You know, the good thing about this sweet is you can eat the marzipan by itself, and if you want to make it more flashy, you can coat it with chocolate. Even the choice of chocolate is in your hands. You can coat it with milk chocolate or you can coat it with dark chocolate. So without further ado, let's start. The filling of our chocolate pistachio truffles is actually with pistachio marzipan. And to make pistachio marzipan, we need to grind up some pistachios. And then we need to separate an egg, because for the pistachio marzipan, we just need the egg whites. Just beat up the egg whites till they are fluffy like this. So when stiff peaks form, all we need to do is add the ground up pistachios and some sweetener. I am adding stevia. You can add honey if you want. A pinch of salt and mix everything together. Once homogenized and it becomes sticky, as you can see it is sticking up to my spatula, we need to shape it up. You can shape it up in the form of balls, but since I am making this pistachio marzipan chocolate truffles for someone very special, I am shaping it up in this heart shaped mold. So let me know in the comment section below who is the special one for whom you would like to make these heart shaped chocolate truffles. So once our marzipan is frozen, we need to prepare a chocolate coating for our marzipan, and we will not use the compounds that are made with hydrogenated oil. We will use raw organic cocoa butter, melt it in double boiler, and then add some non-alkalinized raw organic cacao powder in it. Next, add your favorite sweetener. I am adding stevia. You can add honey if you want, a dash of vanilla essence, and now mix it up with your hand blender. And if you want to make your already very healthy chocolate even more healthier, you can add stem cell boosting compounds like EGCG and resveratrol in your chocolate. And to view the complete video of this one of a kind stem cell boosting chocolate, do subscribe to our channel. And after 6 to 8 hours, take out your frozen marzipan cubes from the freezer and coat them with the chocolate we just made. Just dip your frozen marzipan cubes in the chocolate one by one. It's really easy to coat them. If you have made balls, the coating procedure will be the same. I am using a fork to coat them. You can even use a toothpick. And now our chocolate coated pistachio truffles are ready. If you wish, you can just garnish them and present them like this. Or if you wanted to take it to the next level, you can even pack them. So before showing you my wonderful packing, let me show you the cut section of each of these truffles. And I know you cannot taste them, but just the sight of these chocolate truffles with this creamy pistachio center makes them look so delicious, isn't it? Finally, if you want to take your artisan handcrafted chocolates to the next level, focus on their packing. I am wrapping them in these golden candy wrappers which I got from Daraz. I'll leave the link in the description box below. My point is, if you make these artisanal handcrafted, I would say love crafted chocolates for someone, putting in so much time and effort, there's no other gift that says how much they mean to you. What are your thoughts about it? Do share in the description box below. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.